Princess! Say hi, Daddy. Are you at work? Say, when will you be home? Say, Mommy is taking care of me right now, but I'd rather it be you. I'm just so sad and lost. Mommy, is Daddy in the phone? Because I really need to talk to him, like right now. Did you say Daddy was on the phone? Because I think I want to talk to him. This is how she looks when I say the word Daddy. Isn't it sad? But you got Mommy. Don't cry, Princess. You want your daddy pillow? Look, it's you and Daddy. Isn't that sweet? What do you think? You like your daddy pillow? She's not happy. Uh-oh. Watch, you take care of the princess. She's getting sad. What you hear? You hear birdies outside? Yeah. I love you, princess.